Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick and easy recipe for BLT guacamole. So first I started out with 4 avocados. And I'm adding the salt and pepper now. You can also add it later, but since I'm going to be mashing them up, I just thought it would be a good opportunity to get that mixed in. And as you can see, I have all the other ingredients on the side already chopped up and ready to go. So once I have those mashed, I can add everything else in. So you're gonna add a juice of 1 lime. And if you don't have one of these juicers, they're awesome. They get every bit of the juice out of the lemon or lime. And I did a demo on this if you wanna see how it works, but you could flip the other side up and you could put the lemon in it on the yellow part. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory, but it catches all the seeds and everything. So I'll link it below if you wanna purchase one on Amazon. But now that I have that in, I'm adding in some lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and green onions. The lettuce doesn't really do much, but since it's BLT guacamole, I added it in there, but you could really do without. And then I'm adding in 4 pieces of bacon that I cooked and chopped up, and then you're just gonna stir everything together. And of course, I love all kinds of guacamole, and I do have a couple other recipes I'm gonna try. There's like a spicy one and some other variations. So if they are good, I'll go ahead and make a recipe video for it. But this one was pretty good. I mean, it has bacon. You can't really go wrong with bacon. So I will leave the full recipe below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.